Hello everybody, today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Eightcap. Logging into your trading account is the first step to accessing the financial markets, and whether you're monitoring trades, analyzing charts or managing your funds, Eightcap makes the login process simple and secure across both web and platforms. And in this guide I will walk you through exactly how to log in without confusion. So first, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down 8cap.com and enter it here. And once you get into this login interface, what you can do is, in the top right corner we can find this a login or trade now. Simply click onto this login over here. Over here, what you can do is you can simply continue with Facebook, Google, or your email address as well as you have previously logged in with. As I'm going to select to this continue with email over here. And if you do not have an account yet, you can also sign up over here and proceed to sign up. And under this here, you can simply type down your email address in order to log into your account and select continue over here. And simply type down your password as well. After you're done, click onto this continue and you will be successfully logged into your 8cap account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.